Here it is at last. Coming up behind us now, we're going to get on to Buckshaw. Buckshaw, isn't it? Here it is. God, big train, isn't it? Wow. Been a good day today. Been all over the shop, haven't we? All over Preston, haven't we? Winkley Square was nice, wasn't it, in the park? And then we went to that shop for Chinese tea and cream cakes. Oh God. Then we had a breakfast in the market. We've not stopped today, have we? And then we had a walk round town. Now we're back on the station on the train. So, time to head on home. So, I'll get you buckled in and I'll have a seat and have a little rest to get back to Buckshaw. We'll see you in a bit.
Welcome aboard.
Yeah.
North Service
Oh,
2.
here.
Manchester Airport.
This'll tell you.
Next station stop is Leyland.
Leyland. And then it'll be us at Chorley. And then Chorley after that.
How does it go?
We'll go to Leyland first.
Yeah.
And then it'll stop at Chorley after that.
Does it go on?
Yeah, it goes to Manchester Airport. Goes to Manchester Airport, this.
Got me back here.
You've got everything there now, so you're sorted. Alright, see you in a bit.